We're at the beach again. Life's the beach. Not too bad. Okay. Today is March 21st. It snowed on Long Island, so we're catching the tail of the little chilly thing. So it's chilly here. There you go. See? Grandma knows best. Hey Charlie, look, let's just pick some shells. There's so many shells. You're gonna make a necklace. Mommy, come on, Charlie. It's a little chilly because you know, it snowed on Long Island big time. Everybody's posting their backyard and their trees covered with snow. So of course, here in South Florida, it's a little chilly. We're catching the tail end of the cold. And now you're at the beach. What are you doing, Charlie?
So no one would notice.
Daddy's gonna, because you ate already. Daddy's hungry.
After you come here. Okay, just tell me when you're ready because I will be over. See ya.
No, be careful.
Okay, I'll be yes.
Jeez. Nothing but fast food and video games with you, huh?
What? That's how my mother did.
We're eating lunch at the beach because we just finished swimming. Okay. Kids menu, Charlie. Now you just finished getting garden chipotle,
Mozzarella sticks?
black bean
How do you not
burger
like mozzarella sticks?
with lettuce, tomato, onion, and grilled sliced avocado. Awesome. The Legend of Bonnie and Red. Blah blah blah. Yes, I'm gonna get the where are you? Garden chipotle black bean burger. What does it come with? Pickle wedge and French fries.
House critters?
Corn splitter, French fries. Thank you. This is chipotle bean burger. Oh yeah.